we're here now. Cool. I gotta fart. Hold on.
I am disgusted.
Alright, it went away.
Twisted up, no.
Welcome back, people. This is the channel where you learn how to keep it locked, keep it healthy. I'm your boy Mo Bay, and I haven't really been doing a lot. This crocheting thing is gonna take a while. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit down and crochet together, combined fully with the crochet needle, one lock for y'all. And I'm gonna just do the rest on my own time and gradually show y'all my progress as I make these videos. But this crocheting thing, it takes a while. One of the things I'll say, if you crocheting yourself or about to get into it, you're not sure what's going on, 0.5 millimeters, you feel me? And be careful, because you might stab yourself. That's all I'm gonna say right now. I'm gonna show y'all my process, what I got going on. Y'all already know I did this one, showed y'all this one in the last one. At work, I was fucking with this one. Now there is a difference between the two as far as prepping, I'd say, what they look like before I combine them, you know what I'm saying? But I'll talk more about that when I get to it. I do kind of sort of have a daily routine. I wouldn't say I do it every day. I do it as needed, maybe every other day, every 3 days. Everybody different, you know what I'm talking about? I feel like daily maintenance sometimes can be a little daunting, a little bit much, you know? I'm lazy, you feel me? I like to get it and go, you know what I'm talking about? Get up in the morning, pop, get right. If I ain't gotta do nothing to my hair, I'm out the motherfucking door, you feel me? I spot check, see if I got some eczemas, you know what I'm saying, dry flakes coming up in the edges area. If not, I'm out to dough. But as far as my routine, if I were to do a routine, whichever day it may be, here's what I do. Sasuke, I'm gonna slap the shit out of you. Shut your ass up. Ain't nobody playing. No, nigga. You better stop fucking playing around, kitty. Here's my routine. First off, I take a look at my hair, see if it's dry. If it's dry, you know, if it's a little bit dry, I got a spray bottle with essential oils and some water mixed in. You know what I'm saying? I always use this to retwist, and I can use it in between to spritz to rejuvenate, revitalize my hair and locks. You know what I'm talking about? So I spray it towards the scalp, then I hit all the locks. After that, I just don't let it sit. You know what I'm saying? I grab my brush, I get the soft side, brush him down like I got regular long loose hair. I just go ahead and brush. If I need to get in between towards the scalps a little bit, because I got a little bit of dryness, I want to get them flakes up out of there, I'll go ahead and get them between, and I'll brush, get it up out of there, you know what I'm talking about? But after that, after brushing, I go ahead and recheck the scalps, make sure everything good. I check on the edges, make sure they good. If I need to, I'll spot a couple drops of oil. If I need to, it's already in the spritz mix, so most likely I don't. Other than that, if I'm not using the spritz with the oil and I do have a leave-in conditioner, I'll use that. But as far as the routine, that's all I do in between my washes. I don't really do too much else to my locks. So if you can call that a routine, I guess you could call it a routine. I don't really do much. Coming up though, as far as what I do need to do, of course, you know, I need to finish crocheting. I need to retwist, but I also need to do an apple cider vinegar rinse. I haven't done it in a while. I haven't done it all 2021. Granted, it's been 2 months, but I still got to get that done. So y'all be seeing that and the results. And the crochet kind of helps with a few other things I'll be explaining in the crochet video. But I mean, y'all can watch other people's video, but I will be putting all information that I've gathered from other videos into the one video. All the pertinent information that I feel like you need to know, I'll try to explain it the way that best is understood, you know, for everybody to get it, grasp it, know what's going on, and be like, all right, I'm gonna get it. If I got to, I'm gonna do what I need to do because I know what's going on. Boom, boom. But that is all I got for you right now. Until next time, it's your boy Mo Bay. I'm out. Peace.